Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very special video, I'm gonna teach you how to free up disk space in your computer. So let's get started. First is you need to search for File Explorer. Here at the bottom search bar, type File Explorer. After that, this best match will appear. Just double tap to open. Once you open your File Explorer, go to the left side and locate for this PC and click your C drive. The moment you click that, go for Windows, double tap it to open this file folders and look for system distribution, software distribution rather, and then double tap here to open. Once you open your software distribution, go for download and you need to delete all of this. These are chunk files created by your systems, and this will not affect or remove the data that you have. How? Just Control A to select all and Shift to delete. Okay? Then click on Yes. The moment you do that, this will start on removing your downloads, the junk files present in your computer. Okay? So after that, just simply close this and then let's proceed to the second step, which is to press Windows and R key together. Here, you need to type for appwiz.cpl. After typing or inputting, press OK to proceed. The moment you click on OK, this window containing programs and features will appear. Okay? Here you need to identify those unwanted applications present in your computer. Then just simply press any of those applications, particular application that you want to delete and then click for uninstall. Okay? For example, CCleaner uninstall. And your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go for yes. Okay, and it is now being removed. Okay? So the next step, let me close this, is to go for run again. Simply press Windows and R key together again, and instead of typing appwiz.cpl, this time we will type for clean mgr. Then hit OK to proceed. A new window containing this clean app for your C drive will appear, and here you need to mark all of these junk files, bugs present in your computer. Don't worry because this is harmless. Again, this will not affect the data that you created or that you have in your computer. This will just remove permanently the junk files that you have. In my case, if I'll delete this, my disk cleanup will free up to 9 MB. Why? Because I have just done cleaning. Actually, I love cleaning here in the disk cleanup because this will surely make my computer run faster. Okay? So in your case, you might have a bigger disk space once you delete this. Okay, just delete this by simply pressing OK and then go to delete files. And it will now starting to delete junk files. Just keep those folders in used and this will delete unnecessary files in your machine. Okay, so those are the steps, very important steps on how to free up this space in your computer. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.